So I want to show you guys something. Look at this new level unlock shirt in the French marketplace is 165 results, and in the English marketplace that's .com, Amazon.com. This is Amazon.fr. Now in the English marketplace, Amazon.com, it is over 1,000 results for the same search term, new level unlock t-shirt. So that just goes to show you that if you have a design that is trending on one marketplace, you can transfer it to another marketplace and you will definitely make some sales. You might even be one of the first people to put up your design in that marketplace and you make more sales, as opposed to if you're fighting for or competing against the same keyword with over 1,000 people in the same marketplace. So let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, we're going to focus on the French marketplace. I got a request from someone to do top 5 niches of the week in the French marketplace. Before, I was hesitating to do top 5 niches in another marketplace apart from Amazon.com, because Amazon.com is predominantly English speaking, and since I'm doing English speaking videos, I thought it was best to focus on Amazon.com. But I got a request to do top 5 niches of the week from a different marketplace, and the French marketplace to be specific. So this video we're focusing on the French marketplace. So without further ado, let's get right into the niches of today. So like in the beginning of the video, I was trying to tell you guys to upload your designs to other marketplaces. There are over, I think, 7 marketplaces that you can upload your designs to using Match by Amazon. With Amazon Seller Central, I think it's up to 10, if not 10 or more marketplaces that you can upload to. And there are several marketplaces that don't have enough designs, like Japan. Amazon is taking the liberty to upload our designs to the Japan marketplace for us. That shows you that there are buyers, there are Japan buyers, and there are not enough designs. So we have to upload our designs to all the other marketplaces. Amazon.com, although is the largest size, that means more customers, but there's also more customers mean more competition. So if we can focus on other marketplaces where there is less competition, the chances that we're going to make a sale is higher. So taking that out of the way, our first niche for today is this 18 years anniversary shirt, level 18 complete. It's also in the French marketplace, as you can see here, FR. And if you've noticed, this shirt has come up a lot of times. It's doing well also in the Amazon.com marketplace, and it's also doing well in the French marketplace. But in the French marketplace, there's less competition, like I showed you in the beginning of the video. In the French marketplace, I use the keyword, like the French word niveau 10 débloqué t-shirt, which means new level unblock or unlock, level 10 unlocked t-shirt. So it's just 165 results, guys, 165. And let's scroll down and see how it's doing. So as you can tell, 82 results, 82 reviews, 82 reviews, sponsored. This one, it seems like it's new or something. This one has not yet sold. Next line, sold, 12 reviews. So you can tell that it's actually selling. Look at this. This one is one star review. I'm not sure what went wrong there. 4 reviews. So you can tell that it's selling, and it's just 165 results, guys, as opposed to more than 1,000 results. You know, Amazon doesn't give you the full total results, right? It could be 60,000, it could be 100,000. We don't know. They just say over 1,000 results, so we're not sure. But with the French marketplace, it tells you just 100. Look at this, 165 results. So that was our first niche for today. This level unlocked 18. You could remove this 18, put 17, 15, 14, 40, 100. So the list is endless, just keep on changing. Next niche is a similar design, but actually this one is in French. These words were written in English, So it doesn't matter what language you put your design, you make your design. Your design could be French, it could be English, it's still gonna sell. This is proof. This one is English and it's in the French marketplace and it has sold over 32 times and price 95 pounds. The same thing, this one is similar design but in the French language and it has also sold over 63 times. So it doesn't matter the language you're putting your designs in a different marketplace, but if you put it in the marketplace's language or predominant language, I think you'll stand better chance to make sales. But don't let that deter you from making designs and uploading to other marketplaces. So with that being said, next niche number 2 is this a cancer awareness shirt. Cancer awareness is October, the whole month of October. Cancer awareness says cancer du sein, breast cancer awareness, and it has sold over. And rose, rose in French is pink. Sorry, pink is rose in French. Yes, and it's priced 13.99, so it's actually pink October. Yeah, and look at this. Overall trend is up, so people are actually buying this. And our next niche for today is the same thing. October we wear pink, and French marketplace price £16.99, 34 reviews. Let's see the BSR for this one. Overall trend is up, so wow, they say October 5th or what? Yeah, and October 4th or something. It just fell down there, then it has been falling and rising. Okay, so next niche, the same thing, October rose, pink October with those signs, and this one too is doing quite well. Let's take a look at the BSR. So this one is doing quite well too, 38 sales, and price at £13.75. All right, next niche, obviously, if you haven't made your designs by now, the pumpkin designs. If you haven't made your designs by now, I don't know what you're waiting for. Month Halloween this month, 31st. Yes, October is quickly approaching, and this is the French marketplace, obviously. Although I don't think they celebrate Halloween in France. Let me search that. Do they celebrate Halloween in France? There you go. Yeah. Halloween is not a French tradition, so even though it's not a French tradition, it's not a holiday in France too. It's not a traditional holiday, and in spite of that, this shirt is still trending. It's still selling. So it doesn't matter if there's a holiday or not. Just upload it. If you have the slots, just upload it to all the marketplaces. That's basically what I'm trying to say. All right. So we'll have another pumpkin here. This one is more distressed, and it's also doing quite well. And next niche, Dia de los Muertos 2021, Monday, November 1st, and ends on Monday, November 2nd. So it's a Day of the Dead, Mexico. So if you have a Mexico marketplace, we should upload our designs as fast as possible, but we can also upload to all the other marketplaces too. So this is price £16.95, 34 sales. Let's take a look at the BSR. How good is it? Overall trend, but this design is not that good. People are not buying it yet. But the holiday is quickly approaching, and maybe this design will do better in a Mexican marketplace, better than a France marketplace. I'm just saying. So our next niche, the reason why I chose this niche, I wanted to hit on the fact that as you can see, they use here, because the other designs, it was just the year like 2003, 1995, 1994, things like that, but they added October. So October is more specific. Like if I was born in October 2003, I was like, wow, that is really specific. And it'll be more specific if you add the date, like maybe what is today, 18th of October. If you add a date like 18 October 2003, that'll be more specific. It's like you're talking to that person who was born on that day, but the year or the month is fine, like this person. So you can just keep on switching it from maybe 1960s, 1990, 2015, 2023. So just like that, keep on switching it. All right. So price £16.94. Euros. Why do I keep saying pounds? Euros. And 30 sales, reviews, no reviews yet, so it's people are really purchasing it. They haven't had time to leave a review yet. And our next niche. So guys, I think I did more than 5 niches, to be sincere. I was just taking niches that I think I should talk about and are also doing quite well. So I think I have like bonuses of 3 or so. This one too, l'homme, le mythe, la légende, the man, the myth, the legend in English. And obviously, I've made a video about this, the man, the myth, the legend trending t-shirt. And this is the French version, also doing quite well. Price 16.98. Let's take a look at the BSR. Overall trend is up. Look at that fall there. Wow, that's been going up and down, up and down. So this is an evergreen shirt on birthdays, anniversaries, anything that has to do with a dad, granddad, uh, stepdad, yeah, anything, a gift, this shirt applies to them. So it's an evergreen shirt that we should make because it's doing quite well. And our next niche, so it's very rare to see people talking about pregnancies, but pregnancies happen every day. People give birth every day. And I don't know why people always make anniversary or birthday t-shirts, but they never, or very little, not never, they very little people make designs about birthdays, and not birthdays. The very few people make designs about the expecting year of the baby, like this one for example, mom in 2022, mom 2023. You could even make it more specific. You could say mom October 2022, mom 18 October 2022. You see where I'm going with this? So if we can make designs that are very specific, just like the birthdays too, it's gonna do quite well. So look at this one, mom in 2022. You know, next year 2023, sorry, next year 2022, people are expecting, so they're gonna give birth maybe next year. So this shirt applies to them. And this one is really setting, of course, for the moms, expecting moms 25, price 16.99. Let's see the BSR. So of course, going up and down, up and down, up and down. This is an evergreen shirt, so you shouldn't expect it to just blow. Is it every woman that is pregnant? So it's an evergreen shirt that is doing quite well too. And our next shirt, obviously, in the light of pregnancies, I decided to choose this one. This one is like a gender reveal party kind of shirt, and it says "à votre avis," which means your opinion. Is it gonna be a girl or a boy? Fille ou garçon. So, girl or boy, what's your choice? What's your opinion? It's like a pregnancy reveal kind of shirt. And a last niche for the day is this shirt. It says "Je vais être grande sœur 2022," which means I will become a bigger sister or an elder sister 2022. So if you're expecting a baby, obviously maybe you already have other children or a child, which may be a girl or maybe a boy, and this shirt will apply to them. Big brother kind of shirt, big sister kind of shirt. And obviously, if you're in the pregnancy niche, you should include all of them. You can even do the ones for fathers. Father 2022. I'm talking about this shirt here. Father 2022. You know. So the niches are endless, guys. Before we end this video, I just wanted to quickly show you this niche. Is upcoming November 1st in the French marketplace. Is November 1st, La Toussaint. This is a day for all the saints. It's a very, very huge niche. Oh, sorry about that. This is France. Yeah, November 1st, 2021, All Saints Day in France is a public holiday in France, and it's very, very huge. Look at that spike there, guys. October 2021. People have already started searching for maybe gifts or so, you know. So it's a very huge niche in the French marketplace, and that's why I like flying research, because they show me niches which are very, very big, huge, for all the marketplaces. This one is for the French marketplace. The .com marketplace, of course, we know there's a Columbus Day that already passed, and the one that we're expecting next is Halloween, the next first day of American what? Indian Heritage Month. Yeah, that's a whole month. So guys, start making your designs as fast as possible. Election day, so you see, very, very huge. And if you want to check out the other niches for the other marketplaces, just come here, click on it, and you start making your designs for it. So there really should be no reason why you're lacking niches to upload, because it's literally endless, guys. So guys, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about print on demand and KDP, this is a channel for you. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.